Good morning, all. Today is the 18th, Friday, last day for the week. Haven't been doing well with my trade, so I decided to take it easy. So just been scalping the market, but now I think I'm back to the groove. Just been soul searching with why as to why I was losing, and I think this time change thing is probably one factor that screwed me up, kinda. So I'm kind of try to see if I could do a win today. So in the meanwhile, like as you can see, still got stop outs like crazy, but every day I continuously think about how to eliminate this, and part of trading, I guess, you just have to try. If you lose, then get up, do it again. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting up and doing it again. In any event, got into this final entry here. As you can see, I've been trying and trying to sell it, and I just keep getting stopped out at 48, 49 level. So I was able to get this one at 45, which isn't too bad. So hopefully this is a double top, and I'm looking to target maybe $42, I'm thinking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that order in right there, 42. So maybe I can do a one and done today, but we will see. In the meanwhile, let's do technical analysis here. I started marking my levels. I think today, since it's been higher already, so I think it still has a potential to go a little higher. Maybe 50 more cents from the high, whatever. So let's see. So I'm kind of looking at this one right here, but at the open, I think it's going to try to buy the lows here. So my strategy is to maybe exit at the 50% retracement, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So around this area right here, I'm going to box it up right now. So around this area right here is probably a good place to target or get out. So, but I'm way ahead of that. I'm gonna get out at 42. So, or at least if anything, okay. So the plan is I'll just trail it or something, because I got a feeling it's gonna bounce here, comes up, and then get there. It's not gonna just slide all the way down. So anyhow, I don't have a exit yet. If anything, I'm gonna my exit's 45, so I still can't move this target here, but um, already took a couple of loss today, so I'm just gonna be a little bit defensive today, and let's see, 41. I'll just put it at 44. So if it ever goes back there again, I'll try to just reshort it. So at least this is not a loser anymore. Let's see. So just working on my code this past few days, just because I'm trying to get a better visual of what I'm doing. So this one I coded it in. It's basically just the fib retracement and dynamic fib. So basically every time the high or low changes, you know, it auto calculates all these retracement lines, which is the great one. So that's why I call it a dynamic fib. So in any event, um, I think I'm gonna sit on my hands here, just wait for this trade to pan out. Hopefully, it does work out for me. In the meanwhile, I'll just pause the video and come right back. A trade from earlier, so you could see I put my stop right there at 45. Well, actually 42. My short was 45. It went as high as one tick and reverses. So I got to be a little bit more protective of my trade here. Um, if anything, I'm gonna move it to I'll put it to break even for now. Because I mean, if this thing doesn't slide all the way down, that means there might be interest into the upside. So still pretty young. Let me pause the video again. My target, I'm just gonna try to manage it. Looks like it broke out of this level right here, really. So, 70% might be around 41.64. So I'm gonna look maybe to cover there. I'm just gonna hold it for a long time. I really just want to make 20 ticks today. So as soon as it makes 20 ticks, I'll just lock it in at 20 ticks, and if I get extra, it'll be great. But anyhow, let's see, I'll be right back. I'll pause the video. This area at 30, so just above this pivot here, I got a feeling it's gonna take it, then come right back up. But I'm just trying to first. I wanna break even, and then hopefully I can catch the bigger move. So right now at the moment, I've locked in whatever I risked. So as you can see, 3 tick risk, and I'm already locked in 5. So if it goes there, then at least I'd get 1-to-1 on each of my trades. So so this is kind of a free trade right here now. If it ever goes up, and then I'll just try to re-short it again. But so at the moment it's still sitting there. 35, 36 maybe is where I would look into re-shorting this. But for now, I'm just gonna hold it and see. And it's a tight consolidation at this area, as you can see. That's why I'm very protective of my stop. So anyhow, I'll come back. I got stopped out at 29. I had placed my stop there earlier, so I think I'm in the wrong trade location here, and I got in at 29 again. My stop now is at 34, so hopefully it works out. For now, I'll just pause the video and I'll come back and show you the progression of this trade. Meanwhile, got really nothing going on. It's just a slow day today. So, anyways, I'll put it on pause. I'll be back. I'm close to giving up on this one. This is my last and final trade. If I don't make it, then it is what it is, I guess. Just today was just a difficult day for me again. I don't know why I'm struggling, but I'll find out essentially one of these days. So yeah, my final entry right here, slide down pretty good. I think I'm gonna lock in at least, what is that, high of 33. So at least I'll give myself almost, give it some wiggle room here. I think it might bounce from that high again, so I'll just give myself a lot of wiggle room to play with. At least I'm locking something in. That's kind of my issue, but for some reason this thing is sliding pretty good. There must be some news related, so I'll be back. Okay guys, seems like it's working a little bit for me now. Right now I'm gonna just put my stop right here at 21. So if I get stopped out, then it is what it is. Looking pretty good. Maybe I'll target even this midsection right here, because this thing is sliding pretty good. So we'll see. Yesterday's high is 72. High is 71. So maybe 80 is probably a good target point. I'll even put it at 75 right now. Just wishful thinking, I guess. Oh man, after all this guessing right here, as you can see, I thought I was getting a good read of the market, and I just kept. So I guess here are my thought process right here. When I was trying to re-short this area, because my first good one was at 35, which was, let's see, actually it was better than that. It was this one, 45. So I entered it at 45, and I got stopped out of 42. So I was trying to ride this thing, But what I forgot is, it's gonna come back and revisit that area. So I got stopped out, and I was trying to really guess around this area. And as you can see, kind of gave me a happy moment right there. Thinking, oh yeah, this is gonna work out or not. But nah, that didn't work. That didn't pan out for me. So finally, my last and final short, I think, was let's see, 40. I'm pretty sure it was this wick again. It spikes back up, put a stop limit order on there. So as soon as this thing starts sliding down, I was able to get hit. So and I was even concerned because my stop initially was at 45, and as you can see, this thing topped out at 44. So anyhow, oh, it's getting pretty close there. So 22. Let me see. Let me move my stop to 42.02. So if anything, actually, I'll give it some plenty of room. I really want to get this target hit. So I'll let it bounce and test the 42.10 level. So looks like it's gonna get bought out there. That's what it looks like. That's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna pause this video and come right back. Once he got rejected right here at this candle, I think the volume is just gonna sit there and shoot back up. So I'm gonna get aggressive with my target here. It's getting close to where I needed it to be. Actually, it's at 83 was the bounce. So it looks like it's trying to get there. So I'm gonna be aggressive. I'll just 86. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it in at 96 here. I don't wanna give back what I just made. Well, I must say this was this trading, once I got it right, it was easy. So, but that's probably and I have to say that it's a combination of okay, so I got stopped out. Alright, well, that one was a 46 tick, so I'm done for today. You guys have a good one. This is going to be a late post just because I'm actually running late to work, and I was really just wanted to see if I can get the target in, but I think it's going to jig around. We'll come back 14, 15 cents and then come back up again. At least it gives the second opportunity to short. So anyways, y'all have a good one. Take it easy. Take care. Goodbye.